YouTube. I don't know. I wonder sometimes. Hi there, welcome to Love Carbs Journey. Today I'm doing a quick video, a weigh-in video. A weigh-in video with a story behind it. So Tuesday I weighed in. I was on track to show a loss. The prior week I weighed 176.4. I weighed in Tuesday morning just to kind of get an idea on where I was. And then election night. I tried really hard. I didn't bring in any bad foods that would derail me. And then my husband, God love him, brought in a bag of Doritos. And the stress took over. There was no going back once I saw that bag of Doritos. So sadly I ate about half the bag of Doritos. And when I weighed in on Wednesday, I weighed in at 177.4. And today when I weighed in at 177. So I'm hoping within the next couple days I can get back to at least the 176.4. So the weigh-in for this week is definitely a gain. Gain on Wednesday of 1 pound over the prior week. So what have I learned from this? Well, I've learned that even though I've made it pretty far down the road on keto, that I still have emotional eating issues. I still will turn to carbs to make me feel better. So that is where we are for the weigh-in. I gained. So as to not end this on a bad note, I'm going to share with you a fridge tour. I just wanted to show you some of the items in my fridge that I use on my keto diet. So we have some Powerade Zero. I have some Too Good yogurts. Down here I have 2 kinds of Folios cheese wraps. I also have some turkey pepperoni. This is some provolone cheese. This is honey ham, not mine. That belongs to my husband. I got some tomatoes because I like to make a salad with some cut up tomatoes and some mozzarella cheese. I have 2 bags of lettuce down here. I have some fontina cheese. And then I got some of these sweet peppers. Homemade pizza sauce. I have some of the caramel super coffee. And I have some Premier protein shakes and pumpkin spice. I also have some Eggland's Best hard-boiled eggs in here. I have some Taking Stock chicken broth. And I got some cottage cheese. Organic Stonefield heavy whipping cream. And then there's some sour cream. So that's just a quick view of some of the items in my fridge that I have on a daily basis. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment. I'd appreciate a comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, be blessed, and have a great day. And hang in there. Eventually we will have an answer on the elections. I feel like we're headed to the Supreme Court, but who knows? Still within the time frame of the hanging chads in Florida, so I mean, we've seen it before. Hopefully we won't see it again. Bye all.